Hello, I'm Lindy. Today I will introduce the basic functions for new series processor KV210. The total loading capacity of the KV210 3-in-1 video processor is 1.3 million. The maximum loading width is 3,840 pixels and the maximum loading height is 2,500 pixels. Compared with the VP series processors, it lacks a visual operation panel, is smaller, lighter, supports USB playback, non-rectangular loading function, and a point-to-point input and output functions. Now I will show you the use of processor buttons. Here the screen has been configured. Now connect the HDMI to the computer. We can see the buttons on the front of KV210. Among which, bright is used to control the brightness. HDMI1 and HDMI2 buttons used to switch the signal. Press Scale button to enter point-to-point display mode. Press Freeze button to freeze the screen. Press the USB button to enter USB playback mode. In the USB mode, press the USB button again to enter the button control mode. You can see the button slides of HDMI1 and HDMI2 are on now. Other buttons can control the playback in the USB mode. For example, HDMI1 can stop the display and press it again and continue display. Freeze button control the switching of video or pictures playback in USB. In addition, if you need to control KV210 via a computer, you can connect a USB cable to the computer and enter the HDSet video processor setting. In signal source area, you can switch the signal source, click the corresponding button. When the button is green, indicators the signal is working to display. In the convenient operation, you can set the screen playback status live buttons on the KV210 front panel. Drag the progress bar to control the brightness or the volume. When enter USB mode, you can control the playback by clicking the icon below. For example, this icon switches the video or picture playback. This icon controls whether the picture playback is turned on with the special effects. If you have more questions about the functions, please refer the relevant specification or contact us. Please continue to follow Huidu account for more content.